We have this question which is in front of you. Let's solve this. Here we know that value of a sine 60 degree is what? Value of a sine 0 degree is 0, sine 30 is 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2. Then sine 60 gives us root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. Then sine 90 is equal to 1. Here we have 60. So it will be how much? Root 3 upon 2. And cos 30 root 3 upon 2. Here sin 30 would be 1 upon 2 and cos 60 would be 1 upon 2. Just to simplify this, then you will get 3 upon 4. 3 3 is a 9 and 9 is the perfect square of 3. Then here 2 and 1. Simplify this, then you will get 4, 2, 2, 2, 2 to the 4. 2 to the 4. So 3 as it 2 to the 4, 2. So 5 upon 4. But hold on. What is happening over here? 2 to the 4, it will become 4. And then now we have correct answer which is 4 upon 4. It will give us 1. This is the answer of this question. What did we do here, over here? For the first question. Just we put a value of each this trigonometric function. After putting the value of each trigonometric function of this question, then we simplify. After simplifying, the answer came as a 1. We will do same here. We will do same here. 2 as it and tan 45 nothing but 1. And here you can see 1 is in a square. Next, cos 30, that is nothing but root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. And carefully look at here. Here we have a square. So this fraction whole is in a square. Next, subtraction. Subtraction. Sin 60 root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. It is in a square. Now we have substituted value of each this trigonometric function. Now our work is to simplify this further. So 2 1s are 2 plus 3 3s are 9 will be 9 is the perfect square of 3. 2 2s are 4 and minus 3 3s are 9, same here upon 4. We have fraction, just simplify it, then you will get 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 minus 3. As you know, it will become 8 upon 4. 4 2s are 8. This is coming 2. Is it correct answer? Let me check. Yes, answer is correct. Just have a look for a few seconds, then I will write the next question. Then I will write next question. Answer is correct, okay? And what did I do here? You know. Let me write next question. This is the next question. It is a little bit different from the previous, but still we will be able to solve this. And answer of this should be how much? How much? Answer should be here. Look at here. Let's solve this together. We know that value of cos 45 is nothing but just 1 upon root 2. So it will be written over here. 1 upon root 2. Now next, what is the value of sec 30? It is sec is just a reciprocal. People know that sec theta is just a reciprocal of cos, and cos 30 gives us root 3 upon 2. So reciprocal of root 3 upon 2 would be 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Cos 30 root 3 upon 2. So here would be 2 upon root 3, because of sec 30 is a reciprocal of cos 30. Now next we have cosec 30. Cosec 30. This is a reciprocal of sine. So sine 30 is what? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So it will become 2 upon 1. Okay. So finally we have substituted value of h of trigonometric function. Now let's simplify this. 1 upon root 2 and then here root 3. 2 as it, and here 2 root 3. 2 root 3. You can see this 2 root 2 is a common. 1 upon root 2 and then 2 is a common. 1 plus root 3 upon root 3. Root 3. Here it will be as it 1 root 2, then this will go upward and this will come downward. 1 plus root 3. Okay. So till here this is done. Next we have root 3 ones are root 3. Then multiple this with this, then this with this. It will give you how much? Root 2, then 2 to 1, then 2 root 3. Okay, let's multiply this with this with this. Root 3, it will become 2 root 2. Then here we have what? 2 root 6. Okay. Then what is the common? Common is that 2 is a common. So we can say 2 root 2, and here this will be 1 and this 3. This is common in this. When we multiply this with this, then this will come. Then next, when we will multiply this with this, then this will come. Now, ahead of this, we can simplify it further by using rationalization. To till here, this is the correct answer. Don't think that I brought a wrong answer. This is correct answer. This is correct answer. Now, rationalization, here we will do rationalization. How to do? Just it as it 2 root of 2 root of 2. Here, we will rationalization of this 1 plus root 3. Okay, this sign will convert itself. Okay, 1 minus root 3. Now let's multiply. This as it root 3 ones are root 3, then minus 3 is a 9, it will be 3. Now next what is happening over here? What is happening over here? This downward denominator is looking difficult. It is looking difficult. Can you solve this denominator? Remember, after solving denominator, it will become 8. Now, this denominator should be 8. This denominator should be 8. Let's do this. Let it be as it, okay? 2 root 2. Here we can say a plus b, then a minus b. It will become a square minus b square. So 1 minus, then 3 3 is a 9. 9 is the perfect answer of 3. Of 3. Now, what else? Here, root 3 minus 3, and then it is how much? Minus 2 to the 4, and then root of 2. Okay, now we will rationalize this root 2. In that case, what will happen? We will get 8 but in negative. We are getting 8 but in a negative. Is something I did. 1 plus then plus. So it is a plus. Yeah, okay. Okay, then this would be 6 plus 3 root 2. Then this will become it is not coming. Then 3 minus 1 4. 4 2 is 8. 8. Then here 8 multiplied 2. It is becoming 16. This is wrong. What is happening? Yes, yes, yes. Here you can see this wolf came. Two ones are two plus two root three plus one. Then okay. Total here this is minus, but here root three minus one. Root three minus one. Root three plus one. Root three plus one. Okay. Okay. We are crystal clear here. Now this would become minus one. Then this would become 4. In that case 4 multiplied 2. 4 to z 8. 4 to z 8. Here root 6. Root 6. So what is common? Nothing is common. Only one root 2. Then here 3 plus 1. Then upon 8. That's it. This should be answer. And this over here, it is a minus. Because of this is a minus. Minus and minus. Total here, this is the answer. Now let me write the next question. Next is sin 30 plus 10 45 minus cosec 60 upon sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Let's calculate this, and answer should be how much? Answer should be 43 minus 24 into root 3 upon 11. This is our answer of this question. Process would be length of process would be more. Let's solve. Sin 30, value of a sin 30 we know. This is 1 upon 2. Okay, 1 upon 2. Tan 40, 1. Then cosec 60. This is cosec, not cos. So this is reciprocal of a sine. So sin 60 is a root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. So this will become 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. Clear? This whole upon sec 30. This is a reciprocal of a cos. So cos 30. Cos 30 is what? 2 upon root 3. Root 3 upon 2. Root 3 upon 2. So this will become 2 upon root 3. And then plus cos 60. This is 1 upon 2. Then cos 45, 1. And now you will simplify this. You will have to simplify this further. Here what will happen? This, we will multiply this by this. 2 root of 3. Here you can see this is the same. So we will multiply this with this. Root 3. This ones are this. So this one will become here 2 of root 3 ones are 2 of root 3. Then minus. Here what are you observing? You are observing that in this we have this both same. So this will be multiplied by this. 2 to the 4. Clear? Okay, no problem. Then this whole upon this much. 2 of root 3. Okay. This same 2 to the 4 plus this 2 is coming same. So this will be multiplied by this. Okay. This ones are this. So this will be written 4. This and this both are same. Will cut to each other. Next, as it root 3 plus 2 minus 4 upon 4 plus root 3 plus 2 of root 3. This is coming. Right now this is coming. What should we do? I think can we add this? Then this will become 6 and this will become 6. Isn't it? Let me check. Yeah, done. Here you can observe one thing. In this, both are same. In root, both are same. So this will be added. This number outside will be added. So So this will become 3 of root 3 minus 4. Then same here 4 plus here. This would be, this is common. So it will be written as 1 times. And 2 1 3. 2 1 3. Now let's rationalize it. So 4 minus 4 and then 3 minus 4. Like that we can write. Okay, no problem. Let's multiply. Here what is happening? What is happening over here? A minus B, then A minus B. Is it identity? Algebraic identity? If you don't want to apply algebraic identity here, over here, then you can solve it just by multiplying. This by this, this by this, this by this, this by this. So 3 3 is a 9, and here 3 3 is a 9. Then 3 3 is a 9. It is a perfect square of 3, so it will become 27. Okay. Then minus 4 3 is a 12, and root 3 as it. Then here minus 4 3 is a 12, root 3. Then minus plus 4 4 is a 16. That is how you will solve it. This. If you are not applying algebraic identity, now in denominator 4 3 is a 12, root 3 as it, minus 4 4 is a 16, then plus 3 3 is a 9, 9 3 is a 27, then plus minus. Now here you can see 4 3 is a 12 and root 3 as it. Look at here carefully. You will observe something crazy. Here this minus 12, then root 3. It is coming plus. First of all, this will cut this. Okay. Then here we can see. Okay. Then this plus minus. Okay. This minus as it. Then minus. It became plus. Clear? Today here this is correct. Now next, what is happening? 27 plus 16. It is becoming how much? I think so 3, and then 3 4. Minus, then here you can see this 2 root 3 both are common, that's why this will be added. So minus 12 24 of root 3 upon, here we got how much? I think 11. To tell here this is correct. And here finally we can see we have brought this answer, you can see. So till here this is our final answer. Let's see what all things did we do. Here first of all we found value of each trigonometric function that are given here. After finding value of this each trigonometric function, we substituted. Then after substituting, we simplified it. Then here we rationalized it. We did rationalization over here. Then after rationalization, we got this much. That is what is the process of solving this type of a question.
Should I take next question? Yes, suppose I will take next question. Now next, I am going to erase it. Next question is that this is the next question. First of all, find the value of each trigonometric function that are given. Then, after finding, solve it. Simplify this. So let's just see. Here 5 would be as it, and value of cos 60 comes as a 1 by 2. We have 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 is in a square. 4 as it, sec 30. It is just a reciprocal of a cos. Cos 30 comes out as a root 3 2 upon root 3, but cos sec 30 would be 2 upon root 3. 2 upon root 3. And this is in a square. Tan 40 1. Okay. Now we are able to simplify this because we have found each values of each trigonometric function in this. Now 5 multiple 1 would become 5. 2 to the 4 plus 2 to the 4, 4 for the 16. Okay. Here 3 is the 9. 9 is the perfect square of 3. Okay. 1 upon 1. Add up this. 4 3 is 12. 4 3 is 12. 5 3 is 15. 3 4 is 12. 16 4 is I think it should be 64. 16 4. 4 then 2. 64. 64 then here would be minus 12. Now 9 then 7 minus 12 upon 12. Here it is on 7 then 16 then 12. I think till here it should be answered. Till here it should be answered. Let me check what is the answer of this question. So answer is yes, and this is our answer of this question. You can see what is the process of this solving question. Okay, let me select next question. Let me select next question. Over here, over here. And answer is sin 60. Answer is sin 60. Let's see how will it come. First of all, value of this tan 30. Tan 30. Yeah, we know that this is sine upon cos. So sine 30 is nothing but 1. So it would be 1 upon root 3. And cos cos 30 is 2 upon hold on, root 3 upon 2. Hold on, here this is 1 upon 2 and this is root 3 upon 2. This will cut, so it is coming how much? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3. Okay. Okay. 2 has it is in multiplication. Now 1 plus tan 30 would be same, but here this fraction is in a square. Okay. It is becoming 2 upon root 3, and this is what? Still we have fraction. 1 upon 1, then 1. This would be, because 3 is a 9. 9 is the perfect square. 9 is in root, and 9 is a perfect square of the 3. So 2 upon root 3 upon 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, and 1 as it. 2 upon root 3, okay, and this 3 will come upward and this 4 will come down. 2 2s are 4. So finally we have 3 upon 2 into root 3. Here we will do rationalization. So after rationalization, 3 upon 2 root 3 upon root 3. This will become 3 root 3. Here 2 multiple 3, 3 is a 9, 3. So this will cut this. So finally we have root 3 upon 2. So we know that this is the value of trigonometric function of what? Sine 60 degree or cos 30 degree. Suppose answer came. We can say this root 3 upon 2 is equal to sine 60, or it is equal to cos 30. Cos 30. Clear? You can see process of this question. What did we do? Just here, this. Here 2 as it, because that is a multiplication of this trigonometric function. Then here we know that the value for tan 30 is nothing but just 1 upon root 3. Yeah, 1 upon root 3. Then here same, but here in this 1 upon root 3, it is in a square. Then after this we simplify this. After simplifying this, we came to till here. Then here we have to do rationalization. When we did rationalization, after rationalization, we got this much value, and we know that this is equal to sine 60 or cos 30. Or cos 30. Okay. Just have a look for yourself. Now next question. Here, this is the next question, and I wrote the answer of this question. Answer should be 0 for this question. Let's see for this question. 1 would be as it. Then here we know value of tan 45 is always 1, and 1 is a inner square. 1 is a inner square. Now again 1 plus, then again this is the inner square. So here 1 minus 1, it will become 0, then 1 plus 1, it will become 2. You know that after dividing 0 by 2, this will give us 0, and here this is our answer. This was very simple, I know. So I think quickly I should write next question so that you cannot feel boring. Now next question is a little bit different. Tell me answer of this question. Answer of this question. It is telling you that this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. So which degree we will put, then it will become this equal to this. Let's start from here. If you put a sine to 0 degree and to sine 0 degree, we know that sine 0 degree is 0, and then this to sine 0 degree is 0. This will also become 0. So both are equal. So answer would be this same. Answer would be this same. This was objective question. I can understand your feeling. Now next is that next question we have answer is tan 60. This is our answer. Let's bring tan 60 logically. Here 2 should be as it. Tan 30 is nothing but just 1 upon root 3. Just 1 upon root 3. Because of this is sine gives you 1 by 2. Suppose it would be 1 upon root 3. Then here we have 1 minus, same here, but in this is in a square. This is a square. Okay, 2 upon root 3. It is becoming 2 upon root 3. Now next 1 minus 1, then 1 upon this will become 3. Okay, get it here. This is clear. 2 upon root 3, 2 upon root 3, and then 3 minus 1. Then 2 upon root 3, this will go upward and this will come downward. In that case 2 is cutting to 2. Both are cutting to 2 each other. So finally we got 3 upon root 3. 3 upon root 3. We will rationalize because this root 3 is coming in denominator. In that case we do rationalization. So after rationalization we are getting 3 of root 3, then 3 3 is 9, it is coming as a 3. So this will cut this. So finally we have root 3, it is nothing but just a value of tan 60. Value of tan 60 is root 3. That is how you will see. Here you can see what did I do. Just put the value of tan 30, then same here. Simplify this. Then here you will come. Here you will have to do rationalization. If root is coming in under root then after rationalization you will get this much value, and you will have to understand that this much value is equal to tan 60. Okay, tan 60, and it is equal to cot 30. It is equal to cot 30. Now next question, let me write. For few seconds I am giving you few seconds so that you can see what happened. Now next question I want to write is that now next question it is a different from the previous. If tan is this much a plus b and it is equal to root 3, a minus b and is equal to 1 upon root 3. It is a complication. Just wrote this because hold on, yeah, answer is in this question. Let's read this together. If tan sum of this angle is giving you how much, root 3, and in that case difference of these two angles of tan is giving you this much, then in that case we don't know was angle of A and angle of B. We don't know angle A and angle B. And this is what question is saying, find the angle A and angle B. But there is a condition. Condition is that A should be greater than B. It means B should be less than A. And angle should be between this number of angles should come between 0 and 90, but it can be also 90, but not 0. So in that case we can see here, this is one equation, you can see 1 a plus b, then root 3. This is one equation. Now next we have a minus b, then this is second equation. From one equation to second, we can see one thing is that this both is cutting to each other. This both thing is cutting to each other. So finally we got this much. Here it is directly telling you that it is directly telling you if here a plus b, then root 3 it is nothing but just value for tan 60, tan 60, and a minus b it is nothing but this is value of tan 30, tan 30. In both cases what is happening? Let's say it represent tan, tan, okay, tan. Here you can see this will cut this and this will cut this. So finally we have a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30. This came right now. Here we can one thing is that just add both. Then in that case we will get what? This 2a, otherwise it will cut. Then we have 2b is equal to 90 and b is coming as a 45. Just here we added because of we came total here. Here you got a value of b. That is telling you that angle b is nothing but 45. Angle b is nothing but 45. You will put value of this 45 in any equation. You can take this as a third equation, this as a fourth equation. Okay, let's move towards. If you will take this, then it's okay. If you take this, then it's also okay. But take one, okay. Here, we don't know value of a. This should be as it. We know value of b, it is 45 and then 60 as it. So here a is giving how much? 60 minus 45. This is coming 15. Now here you can see we have a as a 15 and b as a 45. Now is this following a condition that is given in question? If yeah, then we will say yes, this is our answer. Here you can see b came as a 45 and a is coming as a 15. So here, look at here, a should be greater, but here a is less. A is less. I know that both are coming between 0 and 90, but here a is less. Then in that case, we can one thing is that just subtract this and add this. 2a is equal to 90. Then it will come 45. Then here, just opposite of this. A 45, then 60. B 60 minus 45. Then here A is coming 15. Now this is following our condition. B is 15 and A is 45, B is 15. Okay, here you can see B is less than 45. Now this is our correct answer. Let me write next question. Now next. Here we have complement angles. Here complement angle. This is a question based on complementary angles. Let's solve this. Here sine 80. We don't know what is the value of the sine 80. In that case, you will have to use complementary angles, which is if we add 18 plus 72, then it will become 90. This is known as a complementary angle. When we will subtract this 18 from 90, then this will become like that. Here, look at here carefully. This is equal to this. This is equal to this. And one thing should be as it. Now, when it will be like that, then we will change sign of this trigonometric ratio oppositely. So, opposite of a sine trigonometric function is a cos, okay, and here we will subtract 18 from 90, then it will become 72, and denominator should be as it, because you have to do one thing manipulate. Here both are same, which is a fraction, so you know it will give us 1. Same here you can say. But remember, these are questions based on complementary angles. Complementary angles. Now let's see. Only one thing you will have to manipulate, you will have to modify. Only one thing. Either you can modify this or this. Only one thing, okay? So tan 26, we know that when we will subtract 26 from 90, then it will give us 64. So tan 90 minus 26, tan 90 minus 26 upon cot 64, and we know that tan 90 minus 26, here tan will convert itself into cot, just opposite of tan. So it would be cot 64 upon cot 64. Both are same, and it is a fraction, so that's why it will give us 1. This is how you will solve. Did you face any kind of a problem? No? If you know, then okay, you can move forward. Next I am going to write, which is a little bit different. This was in division. Now what if you have equation based on complementary angle, which is in difference. Hold on, cos 48 minus sine 42. Now look at here. Only one term you will have to modify. Again and again I am telling you. Only one thing. Either you can modify this or this. If you are modifying this term, then you don't modify this term. If you are modifying this term, then you don't modify this term. So I am going to modify this. So cos 48. How much? When I will subtract this from 90, then it will give us 42. 90 minus 48, and then here sine 42. Okay. Okay. Now this is what? It is a converting itself into a positive trigonometric function, which is a sine, and this will become 42. But hold on, this is in subtraction. Okay. Minus sine 42, and here it is becoming sine 42 minus sine 42, sine 42. So this minus this, as you know, it is an fraction, not this is a quotient. So it is becoming 0. That is how you will solve. That is how you will solve. Now next, one more question I would like to take. One more is that cosec 31 minus sec 59. Sec 59. Let's solve it together so that you cannot face any kind of challenges. Here, cosec 31, we know that if you write this 90 minus 31, then it will give us 59, and 1 should be as it. Okay, it will convert itself into a positive trigonometric function. So here the opposite of this will be sec, and we will subtract 31 from 90, then it will give us 59, then minus sec 59, it is becoming nothing but 0. This is final answer. This is your final answer.